So that's the house. After mo ilinisin. Ay, natatawa na lang talaga ako.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zoos! So for today's vlog guys, ako ay mag-gym ulit mag-isa dahil si Andy ay mag-aalaga ng mga bata. Si Jaja kasi hindi siya pwede today. Pwede siya pero gabi pa. Meron kaming pupuntahan mamayang gabi. So I don't think kakayanin pa ng time and we don't want to gym that late. So now, ihahatid na ako ni Andy. Nakapaglinis na tayo ng bahay, nakapaglaban na ulit si King, magsasampay na lang siya. Marami na tayong natapos. Kaya naman, alis na tayo. Kuya, alis na ako. Huwag mo lang iligpit tong oats ni Mimi. May natira pa, pwede niya pa yan kainin. So ano ba? Water and everything. So guys, hindi pa ako kumakain ngayon. Bale, nag-fasting ako since kahapon I broke my OMAD diet, but it's okay kasi protein naman yung kinain ko. And I think it's important na alam natin kung ano yung capacity ng body natin when it comes to dieting. So maybe I can do that nang hindi straight, just like what I'm gonna try again. So today, mag-gym ako, hindi pa ako makain. I only had coffee. Tapos mag-workout ako. And then when I come back, I'll eat a little bit na mga protein food, mga healthy food. Tapos mamaya kasing gabi, we have a dinner. So doon ako ulit kakain. Which is okay lang. Tinatimingan ko talaga para mabuo ko din yung 16-hour fasting. Kasi based on my experience, yung 16-hour fasting, ang tawag doon ay 8 to 16 na fast. Yun yung kaya talaga ng katawan ko. So, doon ako babalik. Then, continuous working out. May ko nang sinabi, hindi na ako nakaalis. Alis na ako guys, sige. Nag-aantay na sila Andy sa kotse. Bye kuya! Love you. Lock the door. Sorry guys. Katatapos ko lang workout ngayon. Papunta ako sa grocery malapit dito. Kasi si Mimi susunduin ako. Nagpapabili siya ng egg. Yung Kinder Egg Surprise. Papunta na sila Andy dito para sunduin ako. Nakabili na ako guys ng another bag of grocery. Nakabili din kasi ako ng tinapay, ng bacon, wala na. Pero konti lang kasi next week aalis na kami. So hindi kami magsastock ng mga food sa bahay. Bumili na rin ako ng pagkain ko. Pero lulutuin ko pa 'to. Mabilis lang naman. Ipiprito lang. So ayun, nandito na daw sila. Ayan na. Sila. It's here! Wow! Hi guys! So, natapos na ang mga gagawin namin. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, di ba? May dinner kami. So, ito na. Nagpe-prepare na kami papunta doon. Ready na sila, Andy. Ako na lang naiwan. So, guys, ang sabi ko sa inyo kanina, nakapaglinis na kami. Ngayon, disaster na naman ang bahay. Wow, see? Look nice. Ayan. Ready na tayo. Wait lang guys may kukunin lang ako. And I'm back. Ayan. Yan, nakapag-makeup ako ng konti. What happened to the house? Disaster again. So yun na nga, marami tayong ginawa today pero ayan. Since maliit lang kasi guys yung bahay namin, pag nagre-ready kami, tapos may mga bata, hindi na namin namamalayan yung yung pagre-ready namin na siyempre naglalaro lang sila. Tignan lang nila kung ano yung mga nandyan. Tapos may mga maleta kami dito naka-ready para nga sa trip namin. So, as I've said, aalis kami. Naka-ready na ito. So, that's the house. After mo ilinisin. Ay, natatawa na lang talaga ako. Bye mga Zoobs! So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa kotse. Papunta na kami sa dinner. See ya!
Alrighty guys, I just got home from the gym. It was a good session, but I was a little bit down on energy because last night I doubled up on what I usually do. So I did my usual 1 hour walking, but I only did 50 minutes, and I did 10 minutes of running, and then I did skipping. So today my legs were really sore, and I had to stretch just to loosen up, just so I could walk. So today all I did was cardio and abs, and I'm pretty much spent now. I pulled up a little bit heavier, so the night before I was 80.1. At the moment I'm 80.6. I think that's due to the fact that we had snacks last night because we failed in our OMAD diet, and also because we had a big steak today, so that's quite a heavy meal. So yeah, as you saw, we went to the Hilton. We had an incredible steak. We had some pork belly. There was also a cheese platter with some fruit. So yeah, it was a good hearty meal, and we were really craving that before we go on our trip. So as you guys know, last night we mentioned we are going on an overseas trip again, so that's why we're trying to get in shape. We're trying to lose as much fat as possible in a short amount of time, which is obviously not recommended, but because that's the time frame that we have, and we booked this just sort of on the fly during coffee in the morning in Melbourne. So yeah, we have something that we're going to be shooting there, so we're pretty excited for that, and we hope you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, I'm home now. It's time to get some rest, and I think I just got to edit, and hopefully the kids are asleep so that we can shoot a few things regarding our trip, and yeah, have a relaxing night.
Hi guys, nasa bahay na kami. So napatulog ko na yung mga bata. Kaya matutulog na din ako. And well, tatapusin ko muna yung dishwashing at saka yung washing machine kasi nagsalang ako ng labahan. Para bukas wala akong masyadong gagawin. Tapos nakapaglinis na rin akong konti ng bahay, ng kusina. Kaya ito na, nagre-ready na ako para matulog. Tanggal na ako ng konting makeup. Kaya kayo din guys, sumabay na kayo sa akin at matulog na kayo. Kaya naman, good night mga subs. Paalam.